we're trying to figure out values for X and Y, and that's going to be the number of PhDs to not PhDs for the entire group. That's what I'm trying to figure out. This line above means not. Now they tell me I have 40% philosophers, and I've got 20 in the group. So 20 times 0.4 is going to give me 8 philosophers. That means I would have 12 not philosophers. And they tell me for the philosophers, the ratio of PhD to not PhD is 7 to 1. And that makes sense. 7 to 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, and that's how many philosophers I have. And then they tell me the ratio of PhD to not PhD for the not philosophers is 1 to 3. Now, we know I have 12 not philosophers, and here I've got 1 plus 3 is 4, so I'm going to come up with a fraction that reduces down to 1/3, and the numerator and denominator add up to 12. So that's going to be 3 over 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So that means I'm trying to find X over Y, and that's PhD to not PhD for the entire group. And how many PhDs do I have? I have 7 plus 3 is 10. And of course, the denominator is going to have to be 10 because I've got 20 members. But that makes sense because I've got 1 not PhD, 9 not PhD. 1 plus 9 is 10. And then reduce that to 1 over 1. So your X is 1 and your Y is 1.